it's Gail with Traders Help Desk, and this morning I just wanted to go over a couple of patterns that I'm looking at to develop this week, and several of them are on the Euro US dollar. I'm looking at the 60-minute time periods and the 240-minute time periods, and we can see that the trend is strong on the 240-minute, also very strong on the 60-minute. However, I'm just waiting for a retracement to potentially enter these uptrends. Now, what do I mean by retracement? Well, what I would do is go down to the 60-minute chart, and you can actually see that the Euro British Pound is overbought at the moment, but I'm waiting for this to retrace down to the ATR. Now, the ATR does move with price, so it could be around 89.20, or if it continues to move up, it could even be 89.40 before an entry is generated. On the Euro Yen, you can also see that it is overbought on the 60-minute chart, and again, I would be waiting for a retracement on the 60-minute chart to enter into a position. On the Euro dollar, you also see that you are overbought on the Euro dollar. The buy-in volume is slowing down, which is what you would want to see, and then for it to retrace back to the ATR before an entry. The ATR has to offer support in order for a long position to be initiated. Additionally, on the USD Swiss franc, you can see that it is moving down, but right now it's at the point of being overextended to the downside, and the volume is decreasing on the lows. If you go over to the 240-minute chart, you can see that this is in a downtrend, but again, because it's already overextended, the best option is to wait for a retracement before you enter the market. You can also see on the USDJPY, you just formed a hidden divergence on that high. If this bar continues to move down, and it probably will because actually your reversal bar was here, and you can see that you're making lower highs, but you're making higher highs in the stochastics. That typically indicates that the market will come down and at least test this area, potentially test this area. And these are just some trades that I'm looking at for this week in the Forex market.